Yo, what's up everybody? Tony here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another dance tutorials for beginners. Before we start the routine together, I remember you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends on social media so this video can reach as many people as possible. You never know, they want to learn some tatting. And the video is mirrored, so it will be much more easier for you to follow the steps. So this is my right and this is my left, okay? So our first move is gonna be here, bam, and the second one is gonna go clack, closing, so pretty solid, okay? So bam, bam. Then from here I'm gonna go right and left, okay? Doom, doom. So one more time, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, slide your right arms inside the left one, okay? Let's try to reach your elbows to the other elbows, okay? So you need to basically like put your shoulders in the front. From top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, 6. So the right one gonna go up and pushing away the left one, okay? So like a domino, so bam, bam, okay? From here, the right one gonna slide back again, and then the left one gonna level up and turn, okay? So one more time from top, no worries, we're gonna go slowly, slowly. I know you already feel lost. So no worries, we're gonna go slow. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside, domino effect, 6, 7, and left gonna go up and twist. From here, just close your hands, okay? As you can see, it's gonna create a perfect 90 degrees, okay? So the right one is on the back and the left one is on the front. So from here, bam, bam, okay? And change, okay? So from here, elbows, just change elbows position, okay? From the left to the right. So one more time from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're gonna pull up our elbows and pull up our arms, and we're gonna go in a king tut, okay? So still like Egyptian position. And from here, close. So when I close, it's like you wanna hide the left arm. So we're gonna go inside. So basically your left one is gonna be inside here and your right one not on top. So from here, boom, it's gonna go inside. You see like that I cover my left arms from here, okay? From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, 5, 6, 7, and now the left one gonna slide down, 8. Okay, so from here, 8. It's just gonna slide on your arm, okay? So here, boom, 8. From here, 1. So just pull your straight arm. Okay, so we're gonna go here, 1, roll, 2, and 3 back, 4 close, okay? So we're gonna go like 90 degrees as usual, and then boom, close here, okay? So you're gonna find yourself with your right hands pointing on the front and the left one pointing on the down, okay? So one more time, everything from top. Man, it's hard. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, open your right arm again and roll here, clap. So roll until your hands is watching the left side and pull it up again. And we're gonna go back on the king tut again. We go here, ta-da-da. So basically it's create like a kind of like rewind. Boom, and bam, back again. From here, we're gonna go over our head. Bam. Okay, so from here to here. Okay? So one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So from here, your right arm is gonna slide on the left elbow, your right hand's gonna go on the right elbows, and just switch. So your right one gonna go inside and here, bam, okay? So basically your right arm's gonna go here and your left one gonna go up. We saw actually this move in the previous tutorial, so if you haven't watched it, you know, go and check it out. So from here we're gonna finish our routine, pretty easy. So we're gonna go in the middle, here, close your arms until you reach the elbows, out, and here. So that was the last move of the routine, but we're gonna try everything from the top one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So let me say one thing, when we do this kind of style or so touching, your arms have to be like very stiff, okay? So you have to give attention on your arms. And when you like, your arms are together, I mean, they're not like chilling like that, okay? But like, they create like a pressure between the arms. Like same, for example, when you hear, it's pretty hard to keep your arms straight if you don't create a pressure between your left and right arms. Okay, so here like I'm pushing the left and I'm pushing the right. So basically it's like pushing like this, okay? So same, from here, boom, bam, okay? So this is create like a straight line, because if I don't create any tension, it's very hard to understand, especially if you don't watch yourself in the mirror. It's very hard to check if your arms are straight, okay? So from like when you hear, for example, boom, pam, and then of course it's a lot of practice. So one more time from the top, then which I'm gonna try with the music. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So the song that I choose for this routine is from TroyBoi again, which is an artist that I really love, and the song name is Bust It. But again, we're gonna try on a free copyright song for the happiness of you too. But again, I'm gonna link the song on the description. So we're gonna try on this free copyright amazing song. And 5, 6, 7, 8. That was dance routine of the day, and guys, if you want to have a look on how look like the routine with the song that I choose, you should check it out, my Instagram, which is linked on the description. So thanks again guys for watching this video, and before you go guys, I remember you to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share this video with many people as possible. I'll see you to the next tutorial. Peace!